Welcome to MyLiebherr. Today I will show you how you can place a spare parts order with us at any time, quickly and easily. You are already connected to your service partner via our portal and have successfully registered your products. I need new armrests for the driver's seat of my duty cycle crawler crane HS 8100 and would like to order them. Therefore, I open the interactive spare parts catalog. I can navigate to the needed parts with a list on the left, or with the item numbers in the drawings. The selected articles and assemblies open in the lower area. The operator's seat and the armrest on the left and right are located in the cab. I click on the shopping cart symbol to add the right armrest to my watch list. The price and the current availability will be displayed. I will navigate to the left armrest using the search function. Here you see the possibility to search specifically for an article number or a text. I don't know the article number, so I search for armrest left. The left armrest is located in the driver's seat assembly. With one click, the drawing opens and my desired item is marked. Clicking on the shopping cart button adds the second armrest to my watch list. Now I have all required items in my watch list. So I transfer them to the shop. With the left button, the articles are added to the currently active shopping cart in the shop. With the right button, I create a new shopping cart, into which my articles are transferred. My shopping cart has been filled with the selected articles. I can order this shopping cart, request an offer from the service partner, or pass it on internally to my purchasing department. I would like to order. I enter my internal purchase order number and a comment. In the second step, I check my delivery address and select the desired shipping method. I authorize the partial delivery and would like to receive it on Monday. In the last step, I check the payment information and commit to buy. I can open the order confirmation via the link. All order details are listed here again. I also received this link via email. Order your spare parts now at MyLiebherr. Further information on the Liebherr homepage or at your service partner.